Akbar sir.
Speaker, sir. Sir, through you, I would like to thank the Minister for giving a detailed reply on this subject, sir. Sir, he has given the details as to how many properties or of the institutions of work identified in the second survey. And this, the work has started, he said, on 426, 925 is remaining. Sir, through you, I would like to request the Honorable Minister Saab to please kindly spell out a specific time for completion of this entire process of issuing the Gazette. This is very important, sir. The reason I'm saying this, sir, this has been pending from 2016, sir. Sir, I go by what the Honorable Minister Saab had said on the floor, that 426 properties have been, the process has been completed. But as far as my knowledge goes, sir, no, sir, nothing as such has happened. Always the work board says that they don't have employees to do this work and the files have not been sent. Anyway, I go by with the Honorable Minister Saab is saying, I might be wrong, he's correct because he's saying it on the floor. Sir, I request that the government in the floor of this house, on my demand, had said, Honorable Chief Minister Saab had said, to protect the work properties, we will give judicial powers to work board. So through you, I would like to ask the Minister Saab, Chief Minister साहब का जो ये वादा हुआ कि जुडिशियल पावर्स देंगे वक्फ बोर्ड को, ये वादा कब पूरा होगा, कब जुडिशियल पावर्स देंगे, कब वक्फ बोर्ड की जायदादों को बचाएंगे? Sir, for 20 years I have been screaming, shouting for waqf land, sir. Microsoft, ISB, Wipro, everything has come on waqf land. Buildings पे building, international airport has come up on the waqf board land. तो पूरा बोर्ड का लैंड्स पूरा जा रहा है साहब. तो जब तक जुडिशियल पावर नहीं देंगे, जब तक हम वक्फ प्रॉपर्टीज को बचा नहीं सकते सर. अब ये फर्स्ट सर्वे में ऑलमोस्ट 77,000 एकर्स ऑफ लैंड है सर. 77,000. एंड इन द सेकेंड सर्वे अभी मिनिस्टर साहब अपनी रिप्लाई में बोले कि 3,072 एकर्स ऑफ लैंड हैज बीन आइडेंटिफाइड. अगर 13,000 are the institutes, sir. 13,000 are the total institute who have waqf land. But the acreage of waqf land is 3,000, sir. 3,000. Sir, अगर gazette नहीं आया तो ये 3,000 भी चले जाएंगे. 77,000. Sir, through you, I would like to request the Honorable Minister Saab to kindly call for a meeting, sir. ये बड़ा vast subject है, sir. Call for a meeting. Let us sit together and see what is the encroachment. Who are the encroachers? And let us sit together and identify and see how best we can protect the waqf land. We need to protect the waqf land, sir. Sir, recently an article came in the newspaper. 1 lakh crore के सब. I would say not 1 lakh crore, sir. 10 lakh crore के वक्त की जायदादें जो तबाह बर्बाद हो रही हैं, सर. सर, through you I request, sir, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर साहब को कि प्लीज बुलाइए और जुडिशियल पावर वक्फ बोर्ड को जो देंगे बोले थे वो प्लीज इमीडिएटली वो दीजिए, सर. थैंक यू, सर.
Minister.